Hi team, this is Florian. We wanted to double check the reverse option of our exporter. So I mentioned in the previous video there's a reverse environment we can look into. Also here we can log in and fetch the data from our RIB 4.0 environment. We will see we have a few available, but as an example here, if you wanted to have a bit of a tiny preview in case if we wanted to look what it actually is. And when we have this, we can then transfer this estimator, also including some cost libraries, if there's a default library attached to our existing workbook, which I believe it is not in this one. But in case it would work, you select it and you could then add this on. We can start from any kind of ROM. We add this on so that we can compile this within CostX. We can import it basically from RIB 4.0, and then we should be able to double check it. Let's quickly quit this here because we need the license from the CostX server. And under R, we should find our tiny client. And we click on our login. We should have the default example for 3D testing. We should have the estimate, and we see the import from RIB 4.0 for further developments. Thanks for watching.